Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a TikTok account with Facebook. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very easy. The first thing you need to do is you have to install TikTok application from Play Store. Then open the TikTok application. Then go to the profile button from the bottom right corner. Now you will be able to see a sign up option. Tap on sign up. Now there are three options. First one is use phone or email. Second one is continue with Facebook. Third one is continue with Google. So you can easily guess our desired option, which is continue with Facebook. You can tap on continue with Facebook and you can easily sign up any account with your Facebook account. So it's loading right now and you can see it's written here continue as my Facebook ID. You can easily tap on it. Okay, you can see that right now it's written Facebook friends synced. I have already given the permission, and if I go to the profile you can see all the videos here which is created with my Facebook account. That's how you can also do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.